following the outbreak of highly pathogenic avian influenza A, popularly known as bird flu in Lome, Togo. The outbreak was announced by the Volta Regional Directorate of the Ghana Health Service. In a statement issued by the Ghana Health Service, the outbreak has killed about 1,450 of a flock of 1,500 birds, with the remaining birds being culled. The statement also cautions all district health facilities and port health units to heighten their surveillance activities for the disease. The Ghana Health Service further cautions residents residing in the region to avoid direct contact with wild birds and domestic birds, that is, poultry, that look sick or have died.